What if I told you this might be the most powerful Android phone ever made? But also the most controversial? This is the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It costs $1,300. Design, almost the same. But inside, completely different story. So the real question is this a real upgrade or just smart marketing? Let's break it down. First, power. The S26 Ultra runs on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on 3nm architecture. CPU is 19% faster, GPU is 24% stronger, and AI performance, 39% boost. But what does that actually mean for you? It means smoother gaming, better multitasking with 12GB or 16GB RAM standard, and AI features that actually respond instantly. No lag, no hesitation, just speed. Now let's talk display. 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X. Bright, sharp, ultra smooth. But here's the twist. Samsung added something new, privacy display. When someone looks from the side, they see almost nothing. On a plane, in a cafe, in public, your screen stays yours. That's actually useful. Not just a spec sheet number. Now the cameras. This is where things get serious. 200 megapixel main sensor with f1.4 aperture, 47% better low light capture. That means cleaner night photos, less noise, more detail. You also get 50 megapixel periscope with 5x optical zoom, 3x telephoto, 50 megapixel ultra wide and video, 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, plus a new horizontal lock stabilization. Even if you rotate the phone 360 degrees, your horizon stays level. That's creator level power in your pocket. Battery, 5,000 milliamp hours. 60 watts wired charging. 75% in 30 minutes. Armor aluminum frame. S Pen built in. It's not flashy, it's refined. Now the big question, should you upgrade? If you have S24 or older, yes. The performance jump and AI improvements are real. If you have S25 Ultra, it depends. You're upgrading for power and camera refinement, not design. But here's the truth. The S26 Ultra isn't about looking new. It's about being smarter, faster, and more private. And in 2026, that might matter more than ever. So, would you pay $1,300 for this? Or are you waiting for something better? Let me know.